Hey there, welcome. This video will guide you on creating integrations for sending messages via CommPeak in Zapier. You will learn how to use CommPeak templates for new SMS integrations and how to create integrations from scratch. In Zapier, you can create workflows called zaps that let you send messages via the CommPeak SMS platform when a trigger comes into action in the connected app. Now, let's assume we want to receive an SMS when a new event is added to our Google Calendar. The first option for how you can publish your zap is to use a CommPeak template. Once you've signed up in Zapier, you can quickly find suggested CommPeak templates on the dedicated CommPeak integrations page. To access it, just follow the link that you see on the screen. Find the needed application and click Try It. If you expand the App and Event tab, you will be able to change the trigger and select New Event. Otherwise, you can start by clicking Details, which will direct you to the list of suggested templates, and then find the required template and click Try It. Name your new zap and complete the steps related to your Google Calendar. Review the App and Event tab to make sure the settings are correct. On the Account tab, sign in to your Google account to connect Google Calendar and give it all the needed permissions. On the Trigger tab, select the calendar you want to be notified about. Now test your trigger. Select any of your recent events and click Continue with the selected record. After that, complete the steps for CommPeak. Review the app and event data and sign in to CommPeak. On the Action tab, select an approved sender ID from the list and enter the recipient number. In the Message field, type in the message text you would like to receive. Optionally, add data to be displayed in your message, such as an event description or start time. Then you can test your zap or choose to skip the test. And finally, you can publish your zap. Now let's walk through the other option, zap creation from scratch. Here, you start from the Zapier homepage. Click Create Zap, and the Zapier editor will open with your draft zap. Click on the trigger box and find the app to start your zap. It's Google Calendar in our case. Then select the event type on the App and Event tab. Continue to the Account tab, and if no Google account is connected, select the one to proceed with. Or you can change your connected account. On the Trigger tab, select the calendar you need. And on the Test tab, perform the test as we have described before. The system will take you to the action part of the workflow where you select the app that will perform the action. We want to send an SMS with CommPeak, so we select this app and on the App and Event tab, choose the Send SMS event. On the Account tab, check if your CommPeak account is connected and proceed to the Action tab. Here, fill in the fields just as you did the previously described workflow and optionally, test your zap. That's it. Now you can publish your zap. From the Zapier homepage, you can check the list of zaps you've created, activate or deactivate them, and perform various actions to them. Thank you for watching. Good luck!